viewers, we're going to be recording a video of our Xbox being smashed up with beavers being first. Right, it didn't seem to do much damage. Right, let's look at the damage. Few shots. See a few marks, but we're gonna have to try something a bit better than a BB gun. Right, now we're gonna try a bit of water damage. See if it does anything special. Alright, ready?
Is it real? Does that sound fizzy?
That's fizzing. I don't know if you heard that. Whoa. So, move. What kind of woman you are, man. Go on inside. Come on, where you going? I'm going to get a little chucky. Go on inside, mate. Come on. Come on. Who's that? Is it Jojo? Jojo?
Well, I think it's recording now.
Yep. So last video we did, we poured water all in it, and it started to fizz, and some of the buttons started like leaking. So it's not been powered for a while either. So I don't know why it was fizzing, but we're gonna try kicking a football at it and see what damage that causes. Right. As you can see, probably not a lot, but everything's worth a try. Hello viewers, we're going to be now throwing stones at the Xbox, see if that helps at all. Just going to move back while someone else throws them. That didn't work, so... that worked! Right, hello, in the last video we threw a stone, it took the front of the Xbox off, that was about it. But now we're going to try fall damage, so if we... have a go at dropping it. We'll try this distance first, and see the sides, the top bits came off, so it's a good one. Here's the second one. Take 3.
No.
Hello, right now we're going to try a pitchfork through it, see if that does any damage. So here we go. A few dents, that's about all we're going to get on that one. A few dents, right, take 2. Okay. Just a few more dents, nothing with the pitchfork, unfortunately. Right, we're now going to try and run and kick it and see how far that goes and how hard it hurts our feet. So if we go now. Not a lot of damage from a kick, but I bet it hurt his foot.
Right, so this time the recorder's going to do it, so let's go. That'll do. Okay, so I think that done hardly anything. No, hardly anything.
Hello, we've got a bit of support on the Xbox now. We're going to smash it with a hammer, and hopefully this is our end and final kill. So here we go.
Oh shit, that failed.
Try 2.
Hello again, this time it's going to be the recorder's turn. Go. Second hit, go.
Nice.
Oh crap.
Oh.
So we're just messing around now because we've finished it all and we can't bother anymore. Just trying to get it all apart. Oh. There we go, we got it off. Right, okay, now let's try and smash into the casing. Try and smash into the casing. I went off a bit of camera
It
there.
smells like smoke, by the way, so I think the water did do some damage.
Keep it in. Oh my god, that stinks. Oh.
I killed it with the water, so if you want to kill your Xbox, water helps. Like, go for our routine.
Right, we're nearly into the casing. Stop hitting it everywhere. As you can tell, I'm not a very good recorder. That's why I do most of this stuff. We can pull that off. Just pull it off. Or kick it off. Oh no, we can't. Squeak. Keep it in. I've moved the camera angle, by the way.
What?
I moved the camera angle. Look at that butterfly. Look at that pretty little butterfly.
Hey, we found something and we...
What the fuck's that?
I don't know myself. I think we've got into the cooling system with a nice shot there. Can you bring it closer? Straight in there with one. That was good. That's why you kill first.
If you know what this is, please put it in the comments below. I want to hit. I want to hit.
One sec.
I know exactly where I'm going to hit.